What if waste wasn't the end, but the beginning? Each year, over 500 billion plastic bottles are used around the world. Roughly 30% are properly recycled. The rest ends up in landfills, rivers, or oceans. If nothing changes, by 2050 there could be more plastic in the sea than fish. Baichuan targets the 70% of the bottles that are lost, turning it into something valuable. Our founder Fei Peng saw the plastic crisis long before the world was paying attention. In 2004, he built a factory to transform waste into high-quality recycled fabrics, driven by purpose, not demand. Years later, his son Evan returned from his studies in the UK, bringing fresh ideas to help grow the mission. A new generation with the same vision and commitment. And in 2017, Baichuan welcomed a European partner into the family business, adding new perspectives and strengthening the bridge between East and West. With its new factory now in full operation since 2023, Baichuan has the capacity to produce 100 million meters of recycled fabric annually. And it's the only factory in the world where the entire process, from bottle to finished fabric, is produced completely vertically. It starts with collecting used plastic bottles. They're shredded into flakes, thoroughly washed and filtered, removing labels, glue, and screw caps. The screw caps are sent back to cap manufacturers. The water used for washing is purified in Baichuan's own filtration system and reused. After washing, the flakes go through a final round of optical sorting. A custom-made light box identifies impurities with a laser, and an air jet removes even the smallest contamination. The result? Clean PET flakes with a purity level equal to virgin polyester, boosting yarn quality and physical performance. The flakes are melted under the exact needed temperature and pressure, all under strict control by the technical team. When the melted solution reaches the exact viscosity needed, it is extruded into yarn. Baichuan recycled yarns are produced in different yarn counts and denier, ranging from ultrafine 50D for the apparel and medical industry to 300D heavy-duty yarns for travel and workwear use. Warping preparations are fully automated in-house, feeding over 500 weaving looms that run 24 hours a day in 3 shifts: weaving, coating, membrane bonding, ciré finishing, water-repellent coating, and hand-feel adjustment. Everything is done on-site, under Baichuan's control. It's one of the most complete setups in the world, designed for efficiency, traceability, and minimal waste. Our focus today is on dope dyeing, where color pigments are added during the melting process, eliminating the need for traditional wet piece dyeing, which typically requires large amounts of water, chemicals, and energy. With dope-dyed recycled polyester, Baichuan reduces water consumption by 87% and cuts CO2 emissions by 58%. With dope dyeing, no chemical treatments are needed either. The result is zero dyeing chemicals and zero wastewater pollution. In addition to recycling post-consumer plastic bottles, Baichuan also recycles its own pre-industrial textile waste, such as rejected fabrics, leftovers, and other production wastage. These are collected, processed, and reused on-site. Baichuan is steadily increasing its textile-to-textile capacity, reducing reliance on used bottles. With its own R&D department, Baichuan is able to run developments entirely in-house, using hand-loom machines and sample yardage setups to simulate production. This allows customers to approve fabrics based on custom-made handlooms before full production begins, speeding up timelines and reducing waste. Baichuan tests every production run in its own fully equipped laboratory, ensuring consistent quality and performance. Nothing is outsourced. Quality is measured and monitored in-house, from yarn to finished fabric. And it's not just the machines that make Baichuan different, it's the people. Every employee of Baichuan is offered in-house education and upskilling programs, giving them the tools to grow. The spirit of learning runs through every floor. To support this culture, Baichuan also provides dormitories for workers, with access to a gym, cafe, and restaurant, creating a safe and supportive environment beyond the production floor. Baichuan is powered by solar energy, supported by an on-site water filtration and recycling plant. The entire process meets strict international standards, including REACH, ROS, and ISO. Baichuan is also certified by GRS, Ocotex, and Ocean Cycle, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the supply chain. To further enhance supply chain transparency, Baichuan has partnered with Aware, the leading traceability solution. Using batch-level digital twins stored on blockchain, Aware enables verification of the recycled material's journey from waste to finished fabric. For Baichuan, certification and sustainability isn't just a goal. It's part of the culture. It's our baseline, because Baichuan isn't just a factory. It's a family business built on values and proof that when vision, innovation, and integrity come together, change isn't just possible. It's already happening. Baichuan, built to make a difference.